Hi, Ace's home expert Lou Manfredini, and in this video, we're going to show you how to hang lights on your gutters without getting up on a ladder using this device. Let me show you how it's done. Using this device, you can extend the pole, and it can reach almost to 11 feet. What you do is you take the clips that come with the device and you put it on the end of the tool. Then carefully extend the pole up while you're firmly on the ground and place the clip on the edge of the gutter, pulling down and then releasing the device using the switch on the handle down low. You'll do this and then place additional clips on the gutter and then use the same pole to hang the lights on the clips. After that, tighten it up where you need to, extend down using an extension cord, plug in your lights, and voila! You've placed lights on your gutters and did it from the ground. If you need more tips or advice, visit our YouTube channel, or you can visit us at acehardware.com. Better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.